Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your XR runs iOS 14 or later, and Picture-in-Picture is enabled. This gives you the floating window capability. Once done, open a supported video or Safari video and start playback. Then swipe up to the home screen or press home to send the video into PyP mode. This converts the player into a small, movable overlay so you can use other apps while continuing playback without losing context. Once the floating window appears, drag it to any corner or edge to keep it out of the way. The touch and drag gesture moves it instantly. Make sure to double-tap the PyP window to toggle the available sizes so it fits your workflow. When you tap the mini player, playback controls and a Return to App button appear. Use those to scrub, pause, or go back to the original app. This keeps essential controls accessible while you multitask across other apps. To finish, tap the floating window and choose the expand arrow to return to full screen in the original app. This restores full controls and timeline. Alternatively, tap the times to close PyP or drag it off the right or left edge to hide it temporarily while audio continues. If Picture-in-Picture doesn't appear, make sure Settings General Picture-in-Picture is enabled for system and for the specific app. If problems persist, force close the app or restart your iPhone to clear a transient glitch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.